In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to notify your connections and followers when you're mentioned in the news. By the end, you'll have a quick setting enabled that helps LinkedIn share credible press mentions about you with the people who follow your work. First, open your web browser and head to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type LinkedIn and press Enter. In the results, click the official LinkedIn website to open it. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your settings. Once you're on LinkedIn, look to the top of the page for your profile menu. It's labeled Me and usually shows your profile photo. Click that menu to open the drop-down, then choose Settings and Privacy. This is where all your account, privacy, and visibility controls live. Inside Settings and Privacy, find the section called Visibility. This area manages who can see your activity and how LinkedIn shares updates about you. Click Visibility to open its options. Next, look for the control labeled Notify Connections when you're in the news. This setting tells LinkedIn you want your network to hear about news articles that mention you from trusted sources. Click that option to open it and review the description so you know exactly what it does. Now, turn the toggle switch on. When this is enabled, LinkedIn may automatically notify your connections and followers when reputable publications mention you by name, your role, or your company, depending on context. It's a helpful, low-effort way to surface positive press and reinforce your professional brand without manually posting every time. A few tips as you enable this. Not every article will trigger a notification. LinkedIn uses its own criteria and may only share mentions detected from recognized outlets. If you prefer to limit visibility later, you can return here and switch it off at any time. If you manage multiple profiles or pages, make sure you're adjusting this on your personal profile settings, since that's where the feature typically lives. If you're on mobile, the flow is nearly the same. Open the Me menu, go to Settings, choose Visibility, find the News Mention option, and toggle it on. After enabling, consider pinning a recent achievement or updating your headline so new visitors who discover you through a news alert see a strong current profile. That's it. You opened LinkedIn, navigated to your settings and privacy, went into visibility, found the Notify Connections when you're in the news option, and turned it on. With this done, LinkedIn can help amplify your media mentions to the people who matter most in your network.